In continuation of his visit to some states across the country, South Korean ambassador to Nigeria, YOUNG-CHAE, is in Rivers State to pursue a number of areas of mutual cooperation and investment.
Political stability is key for Korean companies to decide investment in Nigeria. So we want to see continuous political stability in Nigeria. And that's what I have seen here.
Not mincing words, Ambassador YOUNG-CHAE, who assumed duty 6 months ago, says Nigeria's security challenges are highly exaggerated, adding that the situation is now impeding efforts to attract investments into the country. A view Governor Wike totally agrees with.
And it seems to me the security situation is in a way exaggerated. So most of the places I feel safe, but the media coverage a little bit exaggerating, making matters worse.
Rivers State is one of the safest states in this country today. I'm not talking because of me. Get the security statistics from the police, from the state security services, from the military. They will tell you. If there is insecurity today, 27 cannot take place because that's one of the biggest investments in this country today. $10 billion investment.
Governor Wike, who visited South Korea twice during his days as Nigeria's Minister of State for Education, says Rivers State is hoping to partner South Korea in the areas of agriculture and vocational and technical education.
We are willing, with all the necessary documentation, to provide land and give all the necessary waivers and incentives that will allow those who want to invest in agriculture for our people to participate and also be part owners of this. So in that way, we'll be able to talk about food security. In that way, we'll be able to talk about employment of our youths.
I have seen some possible areas, not only construction, not only oil and gas, but also agriculture, fishery, and even cosmetics, medicine, pharmaceutical product.
Wike says he's optimistic the partnership will yield a lot of dividends for South Korea, Nigeria, and Rivers State.